everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here with another one coming at you. This is an old part of New Orleans. Nice big soprano crib. So got the shop a while back, but we had to wait on perfect timing. So show you guys the property here. Got the big Jenny, Cummins powered. Got the nice pool layout. So I don't know if you noticed, but we got this peak up here. Got some areas that we need to try to get clean. Got the chimney. Got one chimney there. We're gonna go ahead and hit this too. And then we got this chimney here. A little bit of stuff. So it's a metal. It's actually looks like excuse me, terracotta roof, but it's not. It's metal. So we're gonna do around the pool area. This is old money, man. Old money. We got another unit over here with all the pool stuff. So anyway, this was this is just networking through people. I did their parents' house around the corner, so got there too. So look at that. Must have a big heater right there. So anyway, we're gonna get rolling. We're gonna use the AR here. Shouldn't be too big. I mean, not that bad. We're not doing the roof. We're just doing the house. The only thing that concerns me is they got wooden garage doors, like cedar planks, and they need some love. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and we already got water hooked up. We're hooking up Tony's own property protection. I'm about to get rolling. I'm gonna go ahead and start back here. We have to move the trailer a little bit. We're gonna do some flat work as well. So anyway, you see we got growth here. So any before and after pictures, that's what we're gonna do now. We pulled up, hooked up, rolling. Catch up with you in a minute. Peace. Girls, I just sprayed a little mix on here to see what kind of, see if we're hot enough, cold enough, whatever the situation is. Been letting it dwell for about 5-10 minutes. And just trying to get the mix right before we start to get on it. So looks like it's coming off. Smell like chem. Let's see what we got. We got some, and this is a metal roof again, so. See, we got a dirt job in here. Yeah. Looking good. Most of it probably need a little something on it, little touch. Right in the corner too. Got it? Looking good. And I haven't been making too many videos with my computer, kind of took a dump on me, but oh yeah, look at that. Oh, nice. Love that painted brick, man. That's the way to go. Coming right off. Yeah, that's heavy right there. gutters on the backside of this property now. So far, mix has been working pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little water on these plants just in case. We did get a good rain. I think it was yesterday. We got maybe the day before. I can't remember. Again, we're putting out volume. We're gonna spray all this, clean it all up for them, make it look nice. That's what we do. I'm gonna spray this whole backside and let it marinate. It ain't as bad as that side was. That other side was the north side, so we attacked that first to make sure we were working with the right mix. And lo and behold, it works. So we're gonna just cool this down a little bit. Got a little bit of sun on it. Nice little coat, be good. We don't want to leave this on here too long. Spray the doors. Basically anywhere you get sun, you know. All right, we're gonna do soap on now. Soap it down. Soaped on. On like Donkey Kong. Big gas meter, looks like an inch and a half line. Nice. Gutters are full. But my guy's, the guy, his wife's here, but the owner's not here yet, so. Well, the dude I negotiated with, so. Anyway, we are waiting on soap. There we go. And let it marinate at the bottom. Oh yeah, nasty stuff. Look at that green. Mean green. Hey Tony, you may want to grab that 4-footer. See, we got a little section right there. Hit that. Let it marinate. Spray all the walls here. It's coated with bleach. Coated. I don't know if that's going to come off with this mix. I'm going to have to put a strong mix on that bad boy. But we'll see. We'll see how it works out for us. Look at the green gutters. Sorry for the bleach, guys. Part of the life. Fan tippet. Fan tippet. But anyway, yeah, we've been busy, man. We've been super slammed, and my computer had an issue. I had to get a new laptop, MacBook, or whatever. And got that. Got it set up, I think. It's always something. The window's good. Hit back here, too, while you're here. Nah, I gotta rinse off first. Okay. Then we'll take off our soap. Just hit any spots that you think may, I know, so I was looking at. I don't know if that's gonna come off with this mix. May need a hotter mix. What's that? I'm probably going to pressurize these too. Put a little pressure on them with the M5 twist. It's kind of bad over here too. Let that marinate. That's all you got to do. A spot up here. Rinse the line out. Got a little bit left. There you go. Got some H2O. What's that? I don't think so. I think that's city property. Come back, get your bushes real quick. Just let it work. A little door. Yeah, that roof needs a good cleaning. Wipe off the camera. Yeah, that's some nasty stuff right there, huh? Alright guys, we got it soaking. We're gonna let it soak for about 10 minutes, keep the windows wet, and then roll on to the next side. Catch up. Peace. Guys and girls, just taking a little quick break. Just doing a walk around. Show you what we're dealing with. I hope you can see up there on the top lip those dark marks. And we're hitting them, I'd say pretty hot. We got the metering valve on 5. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bust out the 12 volt because I want to do some stuff around these plants and I don't want too much overspray from the AR. So I think I'm gonna break out the 12 volt, hit the pool area, and these chimneys. We hit them, but they didn't really come out nice. You see the chimney here. A lot of it came off, but the heavy stuff's not coming off, so we may do that. We already hit all the house. Just got this side in the front section. I want to show you that garage door is what I was talking about. You got to be delicate around this kind of property. Beautiful, beautiful soprano crib. So anyway, oh, the garage doors, yeah. Let me show it to you. You see here, they're already bleeding. She said that they were going to get them redone anyway, so I may just hit it with a soft wash mix and brighten it up a little bit, get the algae off of it because we got around the rim. But you can see over here too, look. See up top that heavy growth? On the ledge ain't a problem, but it's on the ridge cap or facial. So we're gonna get creative here in a minute and figure it out. But the rest of it's good. And we're gonna hit the flat work and be out of here. All right, peace. All right, guys. See here? That was a dirt dauber. So, and we got a nice wooden door. We got one here too. Customer already came home, was like, oh wow, I can't believe it's the same house. I said, you call it all pro just for the record. I hope you know that. Anyway, so what we're gonna do, we'll try some of this. Put the ladder up on there, so I'm gonna try some of this aluminum brightener. I don't have a sprayer, not yet. I'm gonna see if it works. All right, guys, let me get set up and I'll get some film in a minute. Peace. A little bit of my brush, scrape the door down. I'm gonna see if this gets this third dauber off. Well, looks like it lightened it a little bit. I stained in there though, unfortunately. Try it again. Get up close on it. It helps. Didn't get rid of it though. And this ain't stucco. This is like, well, it's kind of like a stucco, but it's cement, you know. Let's see if it works on this. Yeah. No go. Okay. Well, it helps. It surely did help. So we're done. We just got to do the flat work. So we'll get that done. You getting ready? On the house. Just wrapping up this concrete work or flat work, getting it done. Andy's on a flat machine on the surface cleaner. We got a nice drain right here, so that helps. And yeah, man, like I said, we've been busy. I had to go bid a big parking, not a parking lot, but a storefront, like 25,000 square foot. Pretty big property. They want it done every quarter. So we did that last night, the night before. It's been rolling, man. It's been rolling. Trying to make it. Look at that cheese. Coming out good. Customers already happy. Already put them on an annual. We're talking about get them tickets on an annual, baby. Make that cheese. This is coming out nice. Tony's rolling through it pretty quick, so if we get that parking lot, I'm thinking about going with a 36. Like my boy Don from Super Blast. What up, Don? Out in that Florida area. He got that, I think he's got that like that 48 inch. Even Pink Flamingo got that big one too, that 36. So anyway, all right guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Get up out here. May go hit one more. I don't know, we'll see. All right, peace. All right, everybody, back at the house. We decided to, well, ended up talking to the homeowner for a little while, who knows a lot of people, and I know, and whatever, and finished it up and went and got a po' boy from a little local restaurant, ate it up, decided, let's call it a day. So we back at the house, just unloading, getting ready for another day in the pressure washing world. Anyway, I think that rust remover worked a little bit on a dirt dauber, but that was stained, so it's been a minute. So anyway, we got them on an annual contract now, annual agreement. So, and people ask how I do agreements. I just put them on my calendar. I don't really have a form I fill out and let them sign it or whatever. Anytime you do that, you feel resistant. So anyway, please like, sub, call, comment. Peace.